guys, sekingena iphupho lami ingenelana. I'm trying to take it off. How every time again show live. Nkosi yami. Naphansi ungikhiphela uzipho lami lana. Imoto zami. Oh, sengikhiphile. This nail, guys, it got stuck. I'm dancing, I'm trying. Abantwana bangihit. Abantwana bangihit. On the floor. I'm doing my nails, Lana. I'm going to dance. Hi, Papa, tutorial. Let's plan. Usapan naman tutorial. And then double tap the screen, guys. It's me, if you also at the back. I was doing my nails earlier on. I had to take off a nail polish this side. Ningathi suba ubuzi. Yadala into shada. Yo guys. Wait for a minute. I've been trying to take it off. Refresh in 59 minutes. Why? No, guys. It's almost refresh in 59 minutes. Why? Line it out. Please double tap the screen, guys, and let's grow. I don't think it's angry to 10k. I'll double tap the screen myself. Very kind of Is it that bad? I get tomorrow, so it's my braids. Everything will be right to the world. And now I don't want them. I am tired of the curly braids, yo. I feel like cool. I'm a goddess braids. They bored me. Hi, Kwanele John. What is this strip for? I see on the floor. I think Sanyambo defrosting and mascatting. Put it tomorrow on Nendlela, so definitely egg. Sure, Ngabayam. Hi is requesting aloud. I need to aloud. Get louder. Mina abantu aba requestayo mina ngazi ukukhuluma nabantu. I'm antisocial. That's the thing. Ngizama ukufaka nail polish. You see, this is what I did on the other hand. Kenzelo. On the floor. Home package. Hey. Thank you for the flowers. I mean, my roses. Goldie. Kamalako Goldie. Yabonga Goldie. So much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi, Neo. Oh, roses, guys. Can't believe this is about December. December. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. I'm from Africa. Zalana. I'm just trying to make these hands look like this. Oh, Zalana. So this so far, Angela, Ngala playing. I'm gonna show you the final results. It looks cute, man. Okay, we all from there. I mean, province. Oh, I said Durban. Like it's my hair right now. What's it, Durban? Alana. Damn, so you got all that. What you mean, huh? What do I have? Salana. I started. On a budget. Then I'll judge. Oh, that easy. Thank you. Useres. No, I'm at my flat. This is my flat, miss. Planning for the soup dance, guys. Zalana. I'm gonna post my videos. I mean, yeah, I don't like posting, I'm gonna post the final results of Flow. Oh, this one is bad. Okay, that's nice. What was I say? You see my profile. What? I will now. I can do my nails in China. Yeah, what's this? I must stick on. I was doing stick-ons since high school. Oh, dance. Am I really that bad? So it's weird. Followishe guys. Ngitshelile ukuthi once ngagcina ku 10k ngizokwenza noma yini enifunayo. Noma yini once I reach 10k. 10k guys. Got reach 10k. Nifuna ngitwerk. Oh man. I hope no one's recording this. Rosalana. Hey Kaya, hi. The way I said hey, bengathi ngiyakwazi. Please double tap the screen, guys. Double tap the screen. Let's reach at least 1k. We'll reach 1k, guys. Yabona sana abantu abalalelayo yini yabona. So I will give you 1k. I don't mind. Woo! You know this app. I'm gonna request a song. So far, guys, this thing is sharp. Yes, you literally would kill a person with these nails. Get a little sharp knife, like literally. And look at this one here. It's pointless. What much I'll be working in December. I still have to take them out. I don't want to like. I'm going to allow enziwa a salon because usanele cela nimbuzo usanele ukuthi uthini because mina ngimuzwa kahle. Uyasabona Toto. Oh my god, yabo yahlaba lento. Into zoyihlaba yezwa. Uhlekani uGoldie? Kanti umbuzo enze uhlekani? Kodwa la muntu uthisa ubuzoba. Uthini Thato? How to use the toilet is what Sandra. Cela ungiphendulele wena Thato. Cela uphendule. Ngoba mina ngwazi ukuphendula le question. Cela ngisize ungiphendulele. Hayibo, ungithanda kanjani ungangazi? Ngafethu. Mina ngithanda uma. Yo, sana cishe waba muhle yazi. Uba usho wena shuthi unjani ke? Ongene la except uziveze. But you know, we don't have long nails. Ngathi ngifaya encane ngana. Awuzalana. Uncle Waffles. Uncle Waffles ngiyamthanda mina yazi. She's so pretty. Uncle Waffles is pretty, guys. Uncle Waffles is the girl she is. Wariusa, wairo pa, wairo. Gia Bonger. Uncle Waffles is gorgeous, guys. She's literally. Now I'm going to music. Oh shit! Bring on to the dad. What's the next loser? What's the Alana? How am I gonna lift it up? Guys, this food over here now. I can't even see what it is here. Next month. Bizarre next month. As I got one of them again, guys, often of them and wants to accept. Send them a request, send them. Get a line for long face. Yes, as I'm go far in the college. Kate, say Kate, Salugan, we Kate, Kate. Oh, perfect. Hi, Lopa. Sorry, Gustav. Okay, I'm hungry, man. And because Sasa, I'm going to the salon. You're funny in financial. So, guys, I'm going to first salon. It's just chili sauce. I bought the other day. Papi Chulo. There's this pretty thing. Nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. Sweeter than chulo. Oh my gosh, I miss my high school friends. There was this Indian guy. You know, I know English. Why is Papi Chulo? We've been friends since grade R. So far, spaghetti, safale, chitamale. Yeah. Okay. Woo! Kupalo flung invite.
Njani?
Ngiyaphila wena John.
Nami ngiyaphila. Ngithi ngiku-accept.
Angithandi ukukhuluma nabantu vele. Kodwa-ke sengi-acceptile.
Awuthandi ukukhuluma nabantu ngobani?
No, I
Ufuna ukukhuluma wedwa nje nefoni yakho.
No. On TikTok. Angithandi ukukhuluma nabantu on TikTok sometimes.
Oh, why?
No, abantu phela angazi maybe mina-ke i-anti-social shit.
Unabo abangani futhi na in real life.
Indlela osho ngayo. Nginabo abangani, I do.
Kodwa inkinga?
Angazi inkinga yami laphi-ke shuthi.
abangani bakho abaxoxisa wena noma kwazenzakalela.
Kuyazenzakalela.
I can tell. Mawusuwisho wenza sense.
No, I'm not like this. Okay, fine. Wena
Mina ngenzeni?
wena umuntu onjani?
Wena mawucabanga ngumuntu onjani?
How? Umuntu owazi ukukhuluma nabantu, I guess.
Yes. Wonke umuntu uyakwazi ukukhuluma nabantu ingoma nje. Khona abafana nawe abathi ba-anti-social.
Okay.
Iviwe, igama lakho langempela leli noma uTikTok.
Iviwe. Amxhosa.
And ngiyazi khululeyo.
Ayibo, wazingani? Igama.
Khona omunye u-Iviwe engimaziyo ungixhosa.
Oh.
Unu-Iviwe Banike. Like surname.
Surname. Mdubeki. Mdubeki. Mdubeki.
Mdubeki.
Yeah, that's why ima angizwanga ushongo kahle.
Ngithe Mdubeki.
Wena igama nesibongo?
Ungibuzelani manje mina hayibo, come on. Mina ungibuzelani?
Ngasubuze mina.
Okay,
Wena
no igama lami ngulwa.
Oh.
Seliphelele futhi.
Ulwazi.
Ulwa nje.
Isibongo?
Sibongo. Umdubeki.
Okay. It's fine. It's fine.
Ngwamdubeki nami ngumXhosa.
Uyazi ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthatha isibongo sentombazane so.
Nakho nje ngithathe sona vele.
Okay, Mdubeki. Mdubeki. It doesn't sound right.
It does. Wena nje ungafuni ukuthi u-accept. Mdubeki.
Angithandi ukubizwa ngesibongo kangaka. My God.
Siqonda ukuthini vele isibongo sakho? Siqonda ukuthini isibongo sakho?
Yo, yazi I'm not sure now.
Yazi ukuthi yini ukuduba? Yini ukuduba?
Ukuduba. Uchaza kanjani? Yabona ngichaza isiZulu. Ngasho ngikhumbula ngise high school ukuthi ngichaza. Okay, ukuduba. It's like saying never mind. Angikho sure.
Okay. Thatha leyo nto le ukuduba. Thatha ukuduba mase uthi Mdubeki. Into edubekayo nje. Like ungavele uyidube nje.
It probably doesn't mean that thinking that. But
Kodwa vele isiXhosa, so I don't think it means that.
It means something more than that.
Okay, so what are you busy with? Kade uloku unyakaza ngezandla wathethe nini?
No, we found my nails so far.
Oh, okay, you do your own nails.
No, just for now. Ukuthi manje in December ngizobe ngisebenza.
Wenza ama-nails?
No. Ngisazowakhipha, so it's just a temporary thing since ngiqedile ukubhala.
Oh, okay. At least wena mawuqeda ukubhala wenza inzipho uphuza utshwala.
How? Angiphuzi Nkosi yami. Zindaba wena drink.
No, do I look like I drink? I don't think so.
I'm sure ukuthi you look like you drink. I was just asking. Smoke? Yini oyenzayo?
Uphuza amanzi and mind my own business.
That is the goal. Just mind your own business.
When you pause, which one do you do? Which one?
Nkosi yami ngi-homebody mina. I Angiphuzi, angibhemi.
You homeboarding ngoba uthanda noma like vele you don't have places to go to or
No, ngishiyenza ukuthi angithandi ukukhuluma nabantu, so cabanga ngihambe ngisuke la ngivele ngithi ngeklabhini. I'll be antisocial khona nga-enjoy.
Okay. Have you ever tried? How was it?
It was recent, kodwa ngatry brutal fruit only. Manje abantu bathi ngiyaphuza, angiphuza. I only tried once the brutal fruit bese ngathi no. I was a bit ngave ngalala. Ngaphuza one bottle ngalala. Cabanga.
Shame, man. Doesn't know.
No, we 21st yamngani wami and sasiye like eMhlanga. We booked a place in Mhlanga with all girls. Sashaya like a pajama party and stuff. Kwakumnandi yodwa.
Wayitakelwe brutal nje.
Oh, Nechateau.
Yeah?
Nechateau, I think it's Chateau.
Inina phela nazo utshwala ngibazi mina utshwala.
Never.
Yini nazo utshwala?
Hayi bo mina angiphuzi nangiphuthela.
Wayitakelwa nje ibrutal yakho.
Ngayidlalela and they were like something around 1 bese ba decide ukuthi bahambe baye beach. Ngabe ngalala mina.
Wabonza ayikho lento. Sleeping.
Yeah. Kodwa wenzani ke wena ke in life?
In terms of what? Siyenzani for a living? Ngiyafunda and ngiyasebenza.
Oh, mina ngiyafunda nje kuphela.
Yeah, that's what I do for a living.
Okay. Ufundani?
Hayi kanjani manje?
Oh, really?
Hayi.
What?
Hayi. Atshelwana wena ufundani?
Oh, but doing the wrong kufuza ufundani.
Wena ufundani? Wena ufundani man?
Ngenze IT.
Oh, hayi okay nami ngenze IT.
Oh, don't you wait, wenze IT. Why don't you say uzi clone yami?
I look up to you, Mpezi. Biggest fan.
Mina ngithanda ama-videos wakho.
No, ngithanda wakho.
Oh, come on.
Mina ngithanda wakho. Cela ukukuphazamisa for 1 second, okay?
Okay. Phazamisa bamanye.
When? So can you see the progress in the pain?
Oh, okay. It's just one day. Nice. Good.
Right, guys,
But I would cheap to do it yourself. This manje local, it doesn't last long compared to our at 180.
Oh yeah. No, but they are, if you would like, more practice more. I do play man, but I can't lie, bro.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, funny about.
Really? Just about people 300. The much you wouldn't notice.
I wouldn't notice that. I'm apparently if it designer corner like it's really popping. Then in Zobona, pass, so come on. It's just names at the end of the day.
It's just names. That book says on you in the town. My question. What color? Braids? Blonde or black?
Blonde, bro. Blonde never goes wrong, yo. I can't lie.
Tatelo blonde, yo. Cutting blonde.
Black or what?
Ah!
Black is boring, man. Noma brown. Brown, blonde, there.
No, it's just blonde or black. Should do
Blonde.
blonde.
Noma red.
Red, I haven't tried it. Which going sevens are during December, but you can't come to work.
Blonde. Blonde, close.
Blonde. Okay, so the blonde is that. Okay.
Yeah, then blonde.
Okay, so where? As in
Blonde.
knotless braids, goddess braids.
I don't know the difference, I'm sorry. I don't know the difference. I'm the difference.
Okay.
Yeah, fine, don't get me.
Oh yeah, fine. Here's the different prices. Now monthly cards, and you talk any brush cards, or taper fade, or lower fade.
Yeah, but I'm a braids wonk and like they're similar, bro. I don't know which is which. My goddess, my
goddess, you know, and my curls, like full curls and stuff.
Yeah.
I'm a knotless, you know, my curls, basically.
Should it goddess braids?
Goddess braids. I'm gonna accept that. Hi, bro.
Ulive nolwa.
Yeah.
Ulive nolwa.
Yeah,
Uzothi nolwa makakushela.
Ow.
It's fine. Ambani lwa boy. Grand.
Hola, what's good? Bathini boy.
Kole kathathu boy.
Nazo.
Ngiqale nini ukuba review?
5 minutes ago.
Review. Review yazi ngibhekile.
Huh?
Yazi ngibhekile review.
Oh, then me.
Watch out.
Ow.
Kathi nazi ngaba. Buka abantu bami labancomulo amanje ayilwa. Hayi. Khwepho ngeke. Buka. Hambanye kuyakhe ke live lwa.
Hey, Bubafethu, kwenzakani? Iview, I see what's going on.
I'm drinking, Kosam.
Am I
Okay, Miyazwana vele from day one.
It's one from day one.
Yeah, we grew up together, bro.
That's insane. If you like to tell us
South Coast. Market.
La, uhlale South Coast ngangqala.
Vele angihlale South Coast, I move up here because of school.
You see, it makes sense.
Yeah, but since childhood, yes.
Yeah, like that. Ngamazulwa. Umbona yasekhaya.
Hayi, shuthi kwenziwa mina isiliva. Hayi, it's fine. Kulungile, i-right injani? I-right injani?
Kanjani? Sino even sahlangane talk show pheshotelo 5 rand.
Mina.
Yafana nayo bengiphila.
Weshotelo 5 rand, wacela simsize ngomsizayo mina. Engasangibongi.
Mina iveke ngenze ngimphilisa ngoba chances are yebo. Yayizwa lento. Mara kodwa akwazi ngasho ngo5 rand ngikhona. Ibizwa ngani lona?
For 5 rand. No, since childhood, phela.
Oh, nisabancane.
Ya kwakuyidala mfethu.
Dala.
As long as kungekho ma-suspicions achiliwe ke. Wakhandi ke member khambani. Other than that, khambani boy.
Uba mina?
Yeah, boy, khambani.
You thought
Eh?
No, phela mina angimazi lwa ngimazi ngokumbona TikTok kuphela. Ayizwa lento.
Yeah, but
Nayo lwa.
ngiright mfethu na.
Khole kathathu. Relaxiwe.
you were just talking about my braids, which color is blonde or black? Yeah.
Uba ujoin live yomunye.
Huh?
Uba ujoin live yomunye uba noma nini yakho host.
Ulwa sonke la.
Oh.
Yeah, I guess.
Angiphazamisa ngani?
Hayi.
Watch out, member. Watch out. Mawuthi ngiyaphazamisa mina. Quick, fast. Relax.
Uyaphazamisa iview.
I guess I'll pass on you.
Yo. Fishe ngathi I guess uyaphazamisa bese ngizosho hhayi ntombazane. Wena ivuke futhi le nto yakho wena uposte kwi-story ujoja mina ey'nqeni kodwa umbuso yena
No,
uthi
it's just a game. It's just a game.
it's fine.
Oh, I see it's personal.
No, I'm not taking it personal. Ukuthi wena. But it's fine though. It's chill. Buka sengibuka abantu abawu-7,000 ke manje.
What you mean?
Sekugcwele manje la. Buka bathulwa. Aniy'mele bafuthi kodwa angeke. Hambanye kwi-live yakhe.
Bathi ulwenzeni?
Hambanye kwi-live yakho ulwangeke.
No, I need to go to 10K and yes, kade ngahlala lapha. Cabanga overtake wena.
Angazi nami ngiblow up overnight angazi kwenzani. Ngiyayiqala le nto kuvele kwenzeka ngiyayiqala nalo.
Ngicela ukubuza guys, what type of content should I do?
Angazi. Like, i-right lo yenzayo.
What content are you doing manje ufike kanjani ku-9K?
Ngaqala ama-funny videos, cabanga. I started with funny crazy videos. I don't know.
Yakufika 9K.
Huh?
Phinda kule nto yakufikisa ku-9K.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop trying to be a baddie. I'm not baddie.
Hey.
I will find easy, no.
Sorry.
I must stop trying to be a baddie. That is crazy. You are a baddie, nigga. What are you talking about? You are a baddie. You baddie. Ngisehambe kuyena ulwa. Ayi bakwethu.
Wenzeni ulwana?
Ulwaulayo. Khana abantu lana balokane bethi kulwa.
Umdubeki.
Yabona lwa mfethu ayingeke bafethu babayela abantu ngibelele lana yabona lwa. Lwa shop boy babayela iviwe.
Bye, auntie. Oh my God.
So and la adjustment on what adjustment is happening?
Huh?
Like this?
What's the G do vlogs? My vlogs. I think we pull me out. I think the adjustment is because icy is under cool now. That's why. I'm not stealing your followers. If that was possible. In that face.
Because then to get the share angiyazi nje yangihlekisa. Like so 360.
You seem like umuntu nonchalant. Like calm. Why are you so calm? Like
Kumele ngibe njani?
no, you should.
360 la. Nangu esethu usho njalo, nangu konke usho njalo, uNaomi usho njalo, uDimpho usho njalo, uEsethu futhi usho njalo, Mesiqubo uNjomane.
In there.
Angazi nami ukuthi yini 360.
Namangazi yes. That's the 360 circle, like fancy geometry.
Bathi 360, wena wazi 360.
The 360 is a circle almost. Like there's 90 degrees, which is a triangle. Like you have that 90 degrees, which you can use the theorem of Pythagoras. What the heck?
Bazochaza bo. So 360 siyayicela i-turn around. So sishaya.
Basho wena. I mean.
Oh, hayi basho wena I mean.
I am so gonna Osho lokho.
No, phela batshela mina uthi ngitshele. Uthiwa sishayele usuku makami bakuboneke.
Awungabe unombali. It took people in this life. It could be anyone.
Kuthiwa baby turn around.
Now usangaba uwe.
Guys nisho ba ngicela ngicaciseni.
No.
Cela becace kuthiwa sisho ugele.
Thanks to me.
Uthi yamhlulayo guys.
Wait, I'm busy with my nail. I'm trying to take off this thingy.
Guys uthi yena ubhizi nje nenzipho zakhe nje. Awanaso leso sikhathi. Uthi nifuna ukubonana njengoba nithi akakuthena around.
Yeah. Emma, where are you from?
Who?
Wena.
What's the South Coast?
Okay. Okay, la. It's fine.
Awungwazi eSouth Coast.
Oh yes, this is South Coast Indian.
Okay, it's fine. Kulungile.
You see, nonchalant. Chill.
No, so we don't take excuses now.
Huh?
That's about that my excuse.
Mbani? Awani na focus mina. Focus ulwa. Hayi. No.
Uthi musani ukumnaka abafethu nakani mina kulabo abangasizwe singezi.
Yeah, mina ngixayile.
Ngimusenza unzipho olulodwa namanje.
Yeah, I'm trying to take off this nail polish. I've already took it so it's just this one.
Ima awuyiveza inzipho zakho awuyiveza khona umbuzo engifuna ukubuza awuyiveza.
Ima, that's big guys.
Leza nje lezo siqedile isandla sonke ilezo.
Bese ngiqedile.
Yeah. Guys, yini umehluko la nalezi eniphumela emakini niyozenza le ebantwini ababizayo. Yini umehluko la ngisinayibona zenzipho.
I think bazosho ukuthi it's equality, I guess. Nokuthi let's come out easily. Dump it after some time. If it's loyalty not strong enough, they are pulling.
Oh, bengazi.
Yeah.
Didn't know.
But then you're right, you don't need to worry about finding people. Now look.
Those one that we pay for, like they do them step by step, and those you just apply them. So you just apply them. Labayana means step by step.
Ngingasho kanjalo ya. Kodwa phela nalokhu uyangabenza step. Okay, I don't know. Angazochazela. Kodwa into engisho ukuthi lezi ezenziwayo esitolo it's much better compared to the stick ones.
Oh, yazi ngivele ngibuye nomqondo nje. Ngoba njalo abo mfethu ngifike ngithi phinde kubuye leya nto leya. Inkinga ayiningi mfethu.
Okay. Ngiyabona.
So honestly speaking, nails are just a waste of money.
What?
So inkwenza nziphi waste of money? Yakuvuma lokho?
I wouldn't say it's a waste of money because abanye girl they actually enjoy it. So it's up to you. Because I let them force you to enter Thomas. If you like it, you can do it.
Akekho oncingo oncingiwe.
Yeah. Angisho kanjalo kodwa ya.
Usho kanjalo. Ngikuze ukuthi akekho nje oncintiwe ukuthi ezenzipho.
Yeah, but then I'm trying to use Zico because laptop I can't type on laptop yami ngisizipho.
Uyifakelani? Ngokomsuqedile.
Yeah, I just finished my exam.
So usufuna ukuba fancy manje.
Yeah, ngizenzela mina Nkosi yami, hayi ngizenzela umuntu just for fun.
Kanti suke zenziwela umuntu.
No, I mean no.
Wayiceba ke.
Yeah, shooting ngizenzela mina, not for other people. That's what I'm trying to say.
Oh, okay. Ngiyakuzwa ke.
Okay.
Twa, how old are you? Twa, how old are you?
How old are you?
Wait.
How old do I look?
How old does she look, guys? Mina mengikubuka, I feel like you 19, 20.
21. Can you do something for me? I'm 21.
Yabo, ngishilo ngithe 19, 20, 21.
I'll show you 21.
Ngushilo awungizwanga.
Okay, you're 21. When now not 21. What should we do? I need.
Yazi nje.
Oh my gosh, I have some good.
Twa, where are you from?
Durban. I mean the South Coast. Who's ngifunda la Durban. Ngihlala right now Durban. Kodwa ngizophinde ekhaya which is in South Coast. Now uhlala South Coast. Musifana beyazi indawo.
Cha phela babuza wena. Babuza wena. Twa, which school? Ngifuna imibuzo yabo mina la. Twa, please tell her to read her comments.
Angavela ama-comments wakho this side.
Funda wakho uthathini. Khona uthe ngikutshele funda wakho ama-comments.
Funda ama-comments. But ngalana kugcina ngokuthiwa 360 nje kuphela. Colo 360.
Bayifuna-ke bo leyo 360. Kwenziwani vele kwi-360?
Ngazi ukuthi 360 isakho.
Bafethu yena wazi ukuthi u-360 isekhe. Nami nitshela ngo-360. Ngithi akadwebe isekhele. Thini kahle kahle.
Kodwa ngathatha i-pen ne-paper ngilidwebele isakho. I have no problem. Ukuthi I just want to stick this one. Let me just try.
No, kade uzipho lapho. Kade ulibuka ngani.
Uma. And
Ngiyekeke.
no, I can't go like this.
You can. Azange ngisho ukuthi wenzela wena.
Yeah, what I need. Ngenzela mina ngithanda ukubukeka kahle. Ngithanda into clean and neat. You know?
So inzipho ey'nkulu zinithi.
This is not even long. This is short. Literally, it's short. Also, you can't see nicely because of the camera. This is another man.
Okay, izio. Kuzwa, yabo masibe kanjalo ngiyayizwa.
Put you at the side. It's listening kalwa.
Umdubeki mfethu. Yazi nje, wena ubatsheli ngani ngoba uyayazi? I-comment lena ibuye, hayibuye.
Ithini comment?
Ithi uIviwe uthanda ungazi ukuthi uyiletha iphage amasi everyday.
Sengenzeni mina manje?
Nami angazi mfethu, bathi wena nje uyiletha iphage amasi everyday.
Ngidla amasi. Ngiyawadla amasi amnandi vele.
Nami ngizwa kanjalo. Kuthiwa hayi bo. Hayi kulungile, asiyeke.
Usangabona ama-comments wakhe, uyabona?
So tell us, you want to know.
What you want to know?
Usikambo sathatha ukuthi uzofika.
Banana. Ngifuna ukwazi guys.
Amabhozo izinto ezenza i-IT.
Sifuna ukukhetha abantu. Ngiqala ngoRamaphosa. Ramaphosa yazi.
Umkhekhe uraba.
Kodwa I'm almost done. Ngisele nje u-third year. Bese-ke ngiqedile ngayo.
Bese ngiyela kimi.
I'm not gonna go home.
Wenzenjani?
Angazi kodwa fanele ngibeke this side eDurban. Bese guys from there ngiyahamba mhlawumbe ngiye eJoburg. Uthi omalima base-Joburg and benze i-IT nabo, so it would be easier go to Joburg or Cape Town. Yeah.
So wenza iphi i-IT?
Computer science. Hlala eDurban encane. Why?
Bafuna ukukubona laba abasihlala eDurban.
Ujilo. Are you crushing on Noah? Just be honest, my girl. I will. I'm saying that my question. My girl.
Yazi kuthiwani la? Into eshiwo la inzima kanjani? Kuthiwa lana uIviwe kumele abhabhadiswe.
Ngobani?
Sabhala la.
Kusengenzeni mina?
Nami angikazi. Ngisakubuzela la ukuthi wenzeni.
You said you like clean things. And Loa is also clean, so perfect. Angazi.
Ngingcolile mina Ivi. Ngingcolile mina.
Kuyadlala awukodamba kusho.
Yo, ama-comments angiqeda yo. Bakhuluma ngawo kuleyo. Bayangiqeda nje kodwa bayahlekisa abantu like.
Yabona sengiworried mina ukuthi ufundani that side. Ama-comments. abantu.
No, hayi le comment lena ibithi kanjena. Kodwa abengahlekiswe yona. Khona into ebengiyicabanga mina. So la babuzile bathi bathi ene
Ay,
bathi
yes.
to ask if you were when was the last relationship and how did it end?
Why? Sezikhuluma ngama-relationships. TikTok.
Mama angazi ifoni yami ku-1%, ngiyasaba.
Oh.
Oh yeah, sengiyitshajile. Relax.
Oh no, chat. Uzoyilimaza ifoni yakho. Yabo best uzoshaya 12, nami sizofane ngithandaze manje.
Sindakashembe.
No, ngiyi-Christian. Yeah.
Phela babuzile i-question.
Question. Ukuthi khona abantu lana. Angiteli kedwa. Senama-home girls wami.
Manje kusho ukuthini?
Okay, when was my last relationship? It was around in June. Yeah.
You didn't a follow-up question, so why did it end?
Because the guy had like a home girl. I guess this relationship about jealous. Why if umfana abe ne home girl? Ubaba makanayo nje i home girl.
Wazingani Thanganani?
Akanayo.
Wena wazingani?
How ngiyazi. My parents have been married for like 10 years.
Kodwa phela umazi nephuma engine ethi uyabuya ukuthi usuke wenzani.
Musisi kanjani.
No vele pari iqiniso. Semhlabeni phela la siphila khona.
Hayi ubaba wami is a good man.
Yeah, he is. Shame, he is a good man. So at what age did you start dating?
19.
Say 19 nigga guys nimzweni.
Awukasithembi for my question towards me.
Oh, nami ufuna ngiphenduleni.
Kuthiwa your home girl must be umuntu wakho vele. Hayibo. Baduzela gorgeous oyedwa wena zela. How gorgeous. Kuthiwa ngihleli nomuntu yami. Oh my gosh, usolimaza i-charger wena. Mini phone. Okay, I'm almost done.
Home girl. Sini?
No, I think I'll try that. No, you should in the Quran. You
Don't
don't need.
long.
About that, you don't need female friends when you have a girlfriend. Yabo. When do you believe?
Okay, what if no female friend be corner before your girlfriend?
What if God did it? Yeah.
What if a female friend get before a girlfriend?
When you would allow Itombiako to have I'm a homeboy. You see, this is exactly what I'm saying.
It's because you're nangiyazi behave kanjani around them. Mina ngiyazazi ngithi ukuthi ngibehave kanjani.
Unangazi behave kanjani nje mo.
So nje ayingeve. Leyo topic ya it depends.
Depends.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Shuti mokumpane, it's okay. Tomagani, it's not right.
That's not what I said, but yeah. So it depends on what. No, mfethu angazi nami yazi. Wona if umfuna umfana une-female friend. Indaba uhlekani.
On my throat. I need to put some eyes. Huh?
Usuhlekani?
Ngihlekani? Angihleki bengikhohlela ukuze yabo. I think you should like umuntu oba jealous right there, right there. I'm sorry. Ukuthi la umuntu wami must be my best friend and my girlfriend at the same time.
Kuyenzeka mfethu sometimes umuntu wakhe angabi best friend yakho. Kuyenzeka mfethu.
Kanjani futhi phela akayena umuntu wakho. If fanele mechanic.
Oh, indaba 5
I like this water.
Uyikhipha kancane.
Angifuni ukuyikhipha ngoba kusebusuku and I look terrible like her.
Okay, pumpkin uthi akafuni ukuyisusa. Pumpkin adethi angicela ususise.
Ubani pumpkin?
Angimazi nami upumpkin patch.
Yabo, so shall 12 o'clock. I have to go and pray. Would you think I'd like but that is not kumkhuluma nawe. You seem like a vibe.
Hey, I'm not a vibe, I'm just a person. Umfana nje ongatheni kuleka ungithandazele nami ngiyadinga umkhuleko.
Okay, muthi usho kanjalo wodawo Nkosi yami.
Yima ngizokusendela ama-prayer points yazi.
Ama-prayer points.
Ya, izinto engifuna ungithandazelele zona.
Okay, cool. No problem. Hey guys, bye-bye. It was nice talking to y'all and stuff. Ulala kahle, mosulala.